Hey guys, today we're here to show you how to make your XR6 turbo dose. So it's a universal thing, it works for any XR6 turbo. So what we've got here, we've got your turbo down there and then where your blow-off valve goes. So right now we've actually got aftermarket intercooler piping and an aftermarket intercooler on. So ours will sound a little bit different to yours, but this is basically how it goes. The first thing that you want to do is take off your blow-off valve. So over here is where the blow-off valve is usually installed. Picture of one here. So what you want to do is get a door stopper or something from Bunnings that has the same measurements as what the blow-off valve goes onto, hose clamp it on, and that's good. So the benefits of taking the blow-off valve off is, well, what a blow-off valve does first is, when you take your foot off the accelerator, it takes out the excess air from in the intercooler section. So when you remove it, it forces all that air back through the turbo, which actually gives you that dose noise. So what we need to do now to amplify that noise is actually put a pipe that goes off the turbo up. So now we're up to the pipe coming off of the turbo. And if you haven't done this yet, you need to make sure that you take off the original intake that comes off the turbo. On the FGs, it comes along the back here and routes down to here, which we've got a battery here, but it's usually over there. You can leave the box there, it doesn't matter. Or on the B series, you can just take off the pipe that runs up to here and it'll be fine. So what you need for this is a 3-inch 90-degree elbow made of either stainless or aluminium, or a 3-inch to 3-inch coupling. We'll list both these in the description for you. So what we need to do with these is put the coupling onto the turbo like that, and then put the 90-degree pipe onto the coupling and it sticks up like that. So the main advantage of these is because it's a metal, it resonates the dose of the turbo, which makes it louder and sounds more refined. So we're all done. We've installed the elbow onto the turbo and we've blocked off the blow-off valve, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So there is one thing to note though. Having the elbow on there like that when you're running the battery here, which in most people's cases is how it's going, you do not have a filter, although we haven't had a problem in, I'd say, 2 years running it on the FG and on the BA here. So I doubt anyone will run into any issues sucking up anything they shouldn't. But anyways, we'll chuck in a few inside and outside car sound clips now.
Alright, well, we're just going to quickly move this out the way and then we'll get to the FG clips. That's traction control on, and it's spun that much.